Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 21. This is Section 2.10, Problem 21. We have 1/4 plus 2/3 times 1/2. So there are two operations that have to be done, an addition and the multiplication. And it's very important that you do the correct operation first, and it has to be multiplication. You have to do multiplication before addition. So I'll focus on the 2 times 3, the 2/3 times 1/2. So let's leave the 1/4 in front, plus. Now, I can even indicate with some parentheses that I'm doing the multiplication first. You can multiply across the top, across the bottom, and reduce. You would have 2 over 6, which reduces to 1/3. Or you could cancel the 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and the 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 once again. On top, 1 times 1 is 1. In the denominator, 3 times 1 is 3. So you still have 1/3. If you multiply and reduce, you get a third. If you reduce first and multiply what's left, you still get a third. Now, the problem has been reduced to 1/4 plus 1/3. So now, to do a problem like that, we need to find the common denominator. For multiplication, we did not need a common denominator. For addition, we do need a common denominator. So where we have 4 and 3, a good common denominator would be 12. So 1/4 can be written as 3/12. This reduces back to 1/4. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, make an equivalent fraction for the 1/3. That would be 4/12. So 4 over 12 does reduce back to 1/3. They're equivalent. But in this form, I have common denominators. So now I just combine the numerators. 3 plus 4 is 7, and we keep the common denominator of 12. So the final answer for the original problem is 7 over 12.